In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block all adult websites on Microsoft Edge. So what you need to do is go to the search bar and just go ahead and open up Edge. Either search for it, find it. Now, once you've got Microsoft Edge open, go to the three dots in the top right-hand corner, then go ahead and click on Settings. Now, once you're in the Settings area, go to Privacy, Search, and Services. From here, you can then scroll down and you need to find here security. So here we are at security. Now what you want to do is you need to go to use secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address. Go ahead and toggle that on. Then go to choose a service provider, click on this text box, and then you can choose one of these providers. Now, if you want it completely filtered, go to Clean Browsing Family Filter. As soon as you've checked that, go ahead and close out of Edge. Now, just make sure that those changes have been made, so go back to Edge and go back to the exact same page. Once you've done that, if you've got the Clean Browsing DNS chosen, then it will restrict all adult websites. I hope that quick video did help you out.